Well, good morning, guys. Hey, don't be deceived, okay? Do not be deceived or be tricked by the enemy, okay? God is still alive, okay? He is not mocked. There is nothing that you can do that he can't see or he can't help you through. Try to do whatever it is that you can do. Guys, one thing I can say, you can transform your mind away from this world. Don't be deceived by the trick of the enemy, okay? God is here. He sent his son to help us. All you got to do is trust him. Stop being deceived from what you see on TV, what you see on the phones, what you see on Instagram, what you see in the world. Guys, at any given time, you can transform your mind away from all the foolishness. Don't be deceived. The devil is a lie. He is here to steal, kill, and destroy. And by you knowing that, you're telling me you're going to let him do that to you? I don't think so. Don't be deceived. God is not mocked. Blessings to you all, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget, and do remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Good morning. Happy July the 22nd. Happy Thursday. Yeah, good morning to you. You right here. Good morning to you. So guys, today is a beautiful day, I will say, and today is going to be a great day. I am not feeling well, and it's still okay, because I'm not going to focus on that I don't feel well. I'm going to focus on that I woke up this morning in my right mind, and it is okay not to feel well, okay? Just as long as you're doing something about it. So as long as I'm doing something about it, it's going to be a good day, and I am going to feel well. So with that being said, guys, I just wanted to open up this video by saying good morning to you guys. This is outfit of the day. I will show you in a second. It is currently 63 degrees, and I think it's supposed to get up to 76, which is, it's warm, but I got on a sweat top. It's kind of thin sweat, but I think I'll be fine. But anyway, outfit of the day, guys. This is my outfit of the day. Got on my dark distressed jeans from Zara that my daughter gave me, my black flip-flops, and my green army green top, and my, can y'all see me? Okay. Well, here's the shoes. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And my army green fedora that matches my shirt. So yeah, that is what we're wearing today. Y'all, I just go in the closet. See, that's what I'm saying about living minimal. And one day, let me know in the comments too, do y'all want to see a full-on closet tour? Like all the shoes that I own, all the shoes that I own summer, spring, winter, all the clothes that I own summer, spring, and winter. Because some people can't just go in their closet. I'm not picking on anybody, I'm just saying. I try to make it simple, and I try to display how you can live simple. So I'm really hoping that you guys appreciate it, instead of somebody trying to beat me up, in the comments, or think they're beating me up in the comments, but you're only punching yourself though. But I hope I am helping someone to at least try to live as simple as possible. Y'all, this bag is coming in handy. And that's why I wore my black slides, because it matched the black bag, okay? But anyway, guys, I got a great video for y'all today. I'm going to show you some things. Oh, go over and check out the other channel, Simply Black Vegan, because I uploaded a video that I think all of you guys might like it. Even if you're not vegan, I think you still would enjoy the video, because I broke down like why we shouldn't go out and buy certain things, and then what you can eat to ward off a cold. So yeah, right now I am drinking my turmeric tea that has limes in there. So yeah, I will see you guys later on this evening. And oh, I almost forgot to show you guys. I am wearing today Taboo cologne. It smells so good. And it wards off the men. Get away from me, okay? I ain't in the mood for that. Especially not no foolishness. And I just sprayed her down with some translucent one here. Yep, I sure did. So guys, see you guys in a little while. We got to go, all right? All right, y'all, it's break time. Y'all see these steps behind me? Can y'all see the steps behind me? I already got here. Let's get to going. Let's get these steps going. Let's go. Let's go. Good for your calves, back of your legs. Make them strong, y'all. Make them legs strong. We here. We done. Hi. We here. We done. And we did it. Right, y'all. Welcome back. So, y'all, it is around 6:30 in the evening. I think I said it's the 21st on a Thursday of July, and just want to show you really quickly some things that I did pick up from the bins earlier. What else did I want to share with you guys? This video won't be long, so y'all bear with me. I am feeling a little bit better. I am going to throw in a clip too of what I'm going to be having for dinner. And go over and check out the other video that I put up on the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. Consider subscribing and join the family over there as well. I only picked up like 3 things, and it's okay because I think I told you guys I really don't need anything. And on the floor here, I'll probably show you guys. Well, I can show you now. But I got everything squared away for baby. So that's pretty much taken care of as far as that. I need to get a box really. But anyway, just want to share with you guys the items that I found today. And I was going to give you guys an update on the bathroom, but I'm going to wait because y'all, I'm looking in there right now and I'm so pleased with his work. And it's just I'm just like, wow, okay. But anyway, got a few more things gotta do before I probably can show you guys probably this weekend, I'm thinking. I don't know, because the baby shower is Saturday and my sister will be here from out of town. So with that being said, I don't know, we might probably go find somewhere to eat or just hang out after the shower or something. I'm not sure, but I'll bring you guys up to date, up to speed on that. I will show what I can. I'm not gonna be having cameras in people's faces if they don't like that. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, that's about it. So like I said, the video won't be that long. Let's just get into it. I got 3 items, guys. I picked up these Purity Home Classic vertical weave pillowcases. They come in this really nice package here, and they are organic cotton. So that's what it looks like. Brand new. Well, y'all already know in those stores everything is brand new. So I picked these up for $2. I also picked up for 50 cents. I got some marble contact paper, which was truly a blessing, guys, because I need I need this to go inside the cabinets in the kitchen and a couple of shelves. I just want to do a couple of shelves. And the 2 items that I'm going to show y'all next are, they're going to be like, well, you just bought glasses. I bought 2 more for 50 cents a piece, only because these are shorter. And I looked at my Moscow, excuse me, guys. I looked at my Moscow Mew cups when I was like doing my sorting. And even the 2 that I have, they're starting to look kind of rusty. I probably will show y'all another video. Let me know if you own Moscow Mew cups. If they're real Moscow Mew, which they're supposed to be really copper, do they supposed to be rusty? I mean, I'm just saying. Okay, but anyway, I got these glasses right here, y'all. I paid, if you guys want to know, let me cover this up so you will know where it's at. I paid $3.74 for everything I'm showing you guys. So $3.74 for everything I showed you. Contact paper, the 2 organic cotton pillowcases, and these beautiful cups, y'all. They are so beautiful. And she was nice enough to put them in napkin. I told her I don't like plastic bags, so yeah. So this is what they look like. Guys, they're real thick, but look at the design on them. So, so pretty. So guys, yeah, this is all I got today. I will put in a clip of everything at the end, and then I'll put in a clip of what I'm having for dinner this evening. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed, let me get up. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't long, but when I come back, I guarantee you're going to be knocked off your socks, and you're going to be happy. You're going to be happy. So happy. Why are we so bright? Calm down. Calm down, camera. But anyway, guys, why are we so dark? I mean, so light. Hold on, y'all. Is that better? Is that better? Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and love, everyone. Remember, love yourself so that you be able to love others, and this world will be a much better place. I did, however, too, I sold some plants with the planters and legs. So I'm down to, I still have 22 plants, y'all. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Is that too much? Do y'all got more or what? I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Love yourself so that you be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. See you guys tomorrow.